Today we are building a dim bulb tester. If you work on electronics, this simple device is a lifesaver. It stops a short-circuited project from instantly tripping your home's circuit breaker. Now there are hundreds of tutorials online showing you how to build one of these. But if you live in continental Europe, most of those designs, which are also used in commercial testers, are downright dangerous. Here is why. In places like the US or the UK, wall plugs are polarized. They only plug in one way. So you always know which wire is live and which is neutral. The standard internet design uses a basic single pole switch that breaks only the live wire. But in most of Europe, our plugs are reversible. You can flip them 180 degrees, and our sockets aren't marked. That means we have a 50-50 chance of our tester's switch cutting the neutral wire instead of the live wire. If that happens, you flip the switch off, thinking the device is safe, but 220 volts of live electricity is still flooding straight into your amplifier. Touch a component inside thinking the power is dead, and you could seriously hurt yourself. To fix this and make our dim bulb tester safe for the entire world, we are going to upgrade the design. Instead of a single pole switch, we're using a double pole single throw switch. This breaks both the live and the neutral lines simultaneously, no matter which way you flipped the plug. To build it, we need a double pole switch, a mains socket to connect the device we are repairing, a light bulb socket, some wire and screws to mount everything. The schematic is quite simple. We start with one wire from the switch that goes to the outlet socket. From the other side of that socket, we connect a wire to the lamp socket. Finally, the other pole of the lamp socket goes straight back to the switch. And that is all. Most of the work is just cutting and bending the wires. Now that everything is installed on the board, let's test it with a small lamp first. When we flip the switch, current starts to flow through both bulbs, because they are now in series. Good luck building your very own dim bulb tester. You won't regret having this one on your bench. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and consider clicking join to support the channel for less than a small bag of onions once a month. I hope you will join me in the next video.